Are you on the hunt for the most effective Python libraries that can help streamline your work and boost your efficiency? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the world of Python libraries, focusing on those that are crucial for automation and efficiency. First off, we encounter Pandas. This library is a powerhouse for data manipulation and analysis. It allows you to clean, filter, and dissect data in a way that's both efficient and straightforward. With Pandas, you can transform raw data into a form that's ready for analysis, saving you a ton of time and effort. Next up is Selenium, your go-to library for web automation. Whether you want to automate testing for your web applications or scrape data from websites, Selenium is your best bet. It's versatile, reliable, and widely used, making it a must-have in your Python toolkit. Then we have Beautiful Soup. Parsing HTML and XML documents is a breeze with this library. It simplifies the process of web scraping, turning what could be a complex task into a simple and manageable one. And let's not forget about Requests, a library designed to handle HTTP requests. It's a vital tool for interacting with the web, allowing you to send HTTP requests with ease. It simplifies the process of sending and receiving data from websites, making your web-based projects much more efficient. NumPy is another library that deserves a spot on this list. It's a fundamental library for numerical computing. It provides a high-performance multi-dimensional array object and tools for working with these arrays. It's a game changer when it comes to handling numerical data. TensorFlow, on the other hand, is a standout for machine learning tasks. It's a library that allows you to design, build, and train deep learning models. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, TensorFlow is a library that can help you achieve your machine learning objectives. For testing, look no further than Pytest. This library makes it easy to write simple, scalable tests for your code. It's a tool that can help ensure your code is working as expected, making it an essential part of any Python developer's toolkit. Scikit-learn is another library that's worth mentioning. It's a tool for implementing machine learning algorithms. It's comprehensive, easy to use, and works well with other Python libraries, making it a favorite among data scientists. Matplotlib is your primary choice for data visualization. This library allows you to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It's an invaluable tool for anyone looking to bring their data to life. For automating Windows GUI applications, Pywinauto is the way to go. This library allows you to automate the Windows GUI and can handle even complex tasks with ease. Secure connections are a breeze with Paramiko. This library enables you to implement SV2 protocol, providing both client and server functionality. And last but not least, there's PyTorch. This library is praised for its dynamic computational graph and support for deep learning tasks. It's a flexible and intuitive tool that can help you take your deep learning projects to the next level. Remember, Python's extensive library ecosystem offers powerful tools for automation in diverse domains. The libraries we've discussed today are just the tip of the iceberg, so keep exploring and experimenting, and you're sure to discover even more tools that can help you become a more efficient and effective Python programmer.